Hello 4th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson numbers up to 9,99,999. Now coming to worksheet 7, it's on a with ordering of the numbers, means comparison, ascending order, descending order. This you have done in the lower classes, the same method, but now the bigger numbers. Okay, the method is the same. Compare the following pairs of numbers or numerals by using lesser than, greater than or equal to sign. So now find out. First we have to see the number of digits. So left side it is 5 digit, equal number of digits. Now check the left handmost place, that is 3 and 7. Compare between these two. 3 is lesser than 7, that is why lesser than sign. Now question number B, it is 5 digit and 6 digit. So 5 digit is lesser than the 6 digit number. Directly put the symbol. Now it is 5 digit. Now compare the digits in the left handmost. It is 9, 9, same, 9, 9, same, 9, 9, same, 0, 9. 0 is less than 9. Put the sign. Now it is a 5 digit. Now compare equal number of digits. So compare the digits from the left. 8, 8 equal 6, 6 equal 2, 2 equal 3, 5, 5 equal 3 and 4. 3 is lesser than 4. Is it clear? Now 6 digit, equal number of digits. Now compare from left. 1, 1 equal 1, 1 equal 6, 6 equal 4, 4 equal 3, 3 equal 0, 0 equal. Is equal to sign. Now 5 digit, 8, 8 equal 4, 4 equal 0, 0 equal 0, 1. 0 is lesser than 1. Next, it is 6 digit. Compare from left. 7, 7 equal 5, 5 equal 3, 3 equal 8, 2. 8 is greater than 2. Now 6 digit, 4, 4 equal 0, 0 equal 0, 0 equal 4, 4 equal 1, 4. 1 is lesser than 4. Now it is 5 digit and 4 digit. 5 digit numeral is greater than the 4 digit numeral. 5 digit. Compare now. 3, 3 equal 3, 6. 3 is less than 6. Understood how to compare? Now encircle the greatest numeral from the set. Okay. So first count the number of digits. 5 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. So greatest. So 4 digit is cancelled, isn't it? It cannot be. So compare only with these three. Now 6, 6, 1. So 1. It is small, so leave it. Now compare with these two. 6, 6, 8, 8 equal 3, 9. 9 is greater. So this is the greatest numeral. Now coming to next question. Count the digits first. 5 digit, 6 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit. 6 digit is the greatest. Next, 6 digit, 6, 6, 6. All are 6 digits. Now compare from left. 9. All are having 9. 4. Yes, all are having 4. 3. Yes. So lakhs, 10,000, thousands. It is the same. Now it is a hundreds place. In hundreds place, it is a 8, 2 and 9. So 9 is greatest. So this is the greatest numeral. Is it okay? So that was about question number 2. Now coming to question number 3, rewrite in a ascending order. Ascending means small to big, isn't it? छोटे से बड़ा. तो सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर ढूंढो. So number of digits. So 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit. So 4 digit has to be written first. 5005. देखो इधर कॉमा है, इसके लिए ए सेमीकोलन डालने का मतलब डॉट एंड कॉमा. ओके, टू सेपरेट आउट. नेक्स्ट कंपेयर इन दीज 3. सो 5 ऑल आर हैविंग 5 इन 10,000 डिजिट प्लेस. नाउ थाउजेंड्स प्लेस में 0, 0, 5 मतलब 5 बड़ा है, तो ये दोनों में हमें ढूंढने का है. तो 1000 प्लेस सेम है. फिर hundreds का प्लेस 0 and 5. So 0, it is smaller. So this number we have to write 50,050. Then comes 50,500 and then comes 55,000. समझ में आया? Next it is a question number B. All are having 5 digits. So compare the 10,000 place. 7, 1, 7, 1. So 1, 1 छोटा है. Next 7, 7 equal 3 and 9. So 3 पहले लिखने का है, तो इसका मतलब 17,309. फिर आएगा 17,903. नेक्स्ट ये दोनों को देखो. 7, 7, 1, 1, 3, 9 मतलब ये पहले लिखने का. 71,309. नेक्स्ट इज 71,903. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर C. It is 6 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 6 digit. So 5 digit has to be written first. So 43,865. Next it is a 6 digit. So 444 equal 383. Means 3 and 3. This one, both these have to be compared. So 3, 3, 8, 8. 6 and 5 means this is smaller, isn't it? 5 is smaller. So this you have to write first. 4,38,546. Next it will be 4,38,654. And then you will be writing 4,83,654. Understood? Now it is a lakh 6,556. So you have to compare between these two. So 2 equals 0, 2. So 20,000 first, 20,002. Then 22,020. Next compare between these two. So 2, 2, 2, 0. So this is first, isn't it? So it is 2,02,202. Then it will be 2,20,222. Understood? Now coming to the descending order. Descending means big to small. So सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? So 5 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. So 5 digits पहले check करो. 1, 1, 1. Now 0, 1, 1 means this is smaller. So 1, 1. ये देखो. Then 0, 1. 1 is greater. So this has to be written first. So 11,100. Then it is 11,001. And then comes, it is 10,001. And last is 1,110. Okay. Now coming to question number B. All are having the 5 digits. Hai na? So first check the 10,000 place, 8388. So this you have to keep it for the end. Now 8, 8, same, 3, 3, 3, 4, 6, 4. Okay, now you compare between the biggest is 4, 4, 6. So 6 you have to write first. So 83,648. Next 4, 4 equal 5, 5 equal 6 and 8. तो 8 पहले आएगा, मतलब ये फुल लिखने का 83,458. फिर आएगा 83,456 है ना ये. और अभी लिखेंगे लास्ट में कौन सा वाला? 38,456. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. इट इज सबसे बड़ा ये लैक्स में है, तो उसको पहले देखो 6 डिजिट वाला. 3, 3 इक्वल 4, 9. सो 9 वाला पहले लिखने का है. सो 3,94,090. फिर आएगा 3,49,990. अभी 10,000 वाले देखो. सो 33449990 मतलब ये है ना 34,990 और लास्ट का 34,909. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इट इज 6 digit, 6 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit. So compare between these two. 7770. So 7 ये वाला. So 7,70,777. Next 7,07,077. This one, isn't it? Now compare between these two. 77,00,07. So this one is bigger. So 70,707. Then last is 70,070. Okay. So we have completed the worksheet 7. We have completed the full lesson. Hope everyone understood the numbers up to 9,99,999. How to write the numeral, how to write the number name, how to compare, how to write the expanded form, everything. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.